Today I have drospai. I have some rice. I can't even eat rice with the freaking chopsticks. And I have sakra. I did burn my sakra, but I like it a little crispy, so don't attack me for that. This is like the laziest khmer food or khmer meal you would ever get. Pretty sure they don't sell sakra in like the restaurants and stuff. I love drospai. I could literally eat it like every day. And sakra is actually one of my favorite sausages ever. It's so good. I just wanted to make a lazy meal today. This is definitely that. I think drospai is kind of like our version of kimchi, but like khmer version. But actually I don't think that's true because we don't eat drospai with like noodles on the daily, you know. So I pretty much just wanted you guys to join me for dinner because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I haven't really been enjoying the content that I've been posting. And I know that I also have some soy milk here. This is so good. This is the soy milk that I like. But yeah, I just feel like I'm not really enjoying the content that I'm posting. I feel like I'll post stuff and I'm just like, okay, yeah, whatever, this will do. Like I have to upload anyway, so like who cares? You know? And I don't want it to feel that way. I know that some of you guys said you also noticed that I kind of don't feel excited to post anymore. And it's not that I'm not excited to post. It's just like I feel so pressured by some of you to like always upload a video every day. So I do, and it's hard when I have so many different types of content, and I know that some of you guys love seeing everything, but there's also some of you guys who are like, what the fuck is this? Like, I didn't sign up to watch this, but it makes me sad because I'm like, well, this person wanted to see it, so you know, it's like I can't please everybody. I don't have a lot of rice because I wanted to only make 1 serving, which is exactly how much I had. I think it's like 1/4 of a cup. And I don't know, I just like, I don't know what to upload anymore. Like, some people don't like seeing this, some people don't like seeing that, and I feel like if I did it solely for the money, I would just do like ASMR, because like ASMR is so easy. I wonder if I wonder if white kimchi actually tastes the same as jurospai, because I feel like it would, but I've never tasted white kimchi before, so let me know if you guys have tasted it, what it tastes like. This is just like a really quick and easy meal for me because I do have to get back to work. I actually have so much stuff to do today, so I have to get back to work, but I just want to like stop and talk to you guys. This is like the perfect amount. Like, I could eat this every day. But yeah, so I don't really know like what to upload anymore. I'm kind of just like, well, I could still upload, but I like don't know if you guys would like what I upload. So it's just like kind of hard, and I always get like comments of people wanting to see like luxury videos and stuff, and like honestly I just feel like I'm at the point where like I'm happy with what I have, but I do have to film a Neverfull review actually, so I think I'm gonna film that probably tomorrow, not today. I'm just tired, like, you know, I have a normal job, I have things that I want to get done, and it's hard when I always have to worry about like, oh, what am I going to upload next on my channel, what am I going to do this week, what am I going to do the following week. And although it is fun and I do really love your guys' feedback and everything, I just feel like sometimes, you know, I just kind of like want a break. I kind of like, you know, just want to upload videos that I already had filmed and stuff, and I don't want you guys to be upset at me. And yeah, so I hope that you guys can understand, and I just wanted to chat with you a little bit and see where, you know, have you guys have an idea of where my headspace is at. So yeah, I think I'll just upload this tonight and you guys can watch that, and then I will also upload, excuse me. So yeah, I think I'll just upload this video tonight, and then I will upload a vlog part 1 tomorrow, just so you guys can see that, because I think it'd be really fun for you guys to just like kind of, you know, keep up in the now and have like the vlogs be kind of recent. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what I've been up to and stuff. Not that it's been like anything crazy a lot. I know that this vlog that's I'm gonna post tomorrow is pretty like chill, laid back. You know, I'm still at my mom's house in this vlog, so you guys will see that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have any more food, and I actually have I think I have in some left, so I might want to eat that later if I get more hungry, but right now I think I'm pretty much full. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you aren't already. I'm sorry it wasn't anything like too crazy. I know it was like super chill, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed anyway, and I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully. Be sure to subscribe if you guys aren't already, and please be sure to like the video because it pushes my video out to more people. We can have more people in our YouTube family, so I hope that you guys give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.